Hello friends and greetings for the day. Welcome back to another tutorial on ISTQB Advance Test Manager certification. We are in chapter 7, getting started with it, talking about people skills, that is team composition. So here in this particular chapter, we'll be actually talking from more of the management side discussion, where we will be recognizing that how exactly it is important for a test manager to identify the people skills or build the people skills and form an effective team for any particular activity. Because more of being a technical person from the testing point of view, you need to also be equally strong in selecting the right set of people when it comes to different activities. So recognizing the profile, hiring the people, upgrading them with certain ramp up trainings or mentoring and coaching, you need to take care of those things as well. And that's this chapter will be elaborating more about, and this would be quite simple and easy to understand and remember. As a part of this particular chapter, we will be actually covering several topics from the management point of view, and here are the list of the topics which we'll be covering. 7.1, a basic introduction, which is out of syllabus. It's not in the syllabus any longer, so you don't have to worry about it. 7.2, individual skills. 7.3, test team dynamics, that what exactly it takes to call it as an effective test team. 7.4, fitting testing within an organization. 7.5, motivation to the testers. And 7.6, communication. So today we'll just talking about a basic outline of what exactly we'll be looking forward to in this particular chapter. But do remember that this is the introduction and that is no longer in the syllabus, so you don't have to worry about it. So what we are talking here about is the introduction. Of course, in introduction, we are just giving you an overview that what this chapter will comprise of and what you may look forward to and what are the things which you need to understand and remember. So a successful test manager should be capable enough to recruit, hire, and maintain teams with the proper mix of skills. Now, proper mix of skill basically here means that when it comes to testing, a person may need to know about the reviews or writing the test cases, executing the test cases, reporting a defect, managing the reports, or also conducting several other activities like automating a test, evaluating a tool, conducting a POC, and so on. Now, any particular project may not demand all the skills what you need, but sometimes it is very important that the project demands a particular skill set for the person to be in the project. And that's where the test manager has to shortlist the right set of people with the right set of skills in order to put them into the project. Also, if in case you do not have a person in your team or in your organization who is the best fit for the project, you look forward to hire them with the respective skills. Now, these skills requirements may change over time depending on the technology, depending on the pattern. The way the things are happening today may not happen down the line 10 years. So in addition to hiring the right people in the first place, providing adequate training and growth opportunities are important in order to retain the test team and maintain it at all level of peak performance. That means just hiring and leaving them is not important. From time to time, you need to realize how your project is unfolding, how your technology trends are changing, and based on that, you can actually train and ramp up your existing test teams in order to meet the desired performance of the overall team dynamics. In addition to the skills of the team, the test manager will also maintain a set of skills that will allow effective functioning in the high pressure, fast paced environment. Now that basically helps, I may know the skill, but of course, just being aware of the skill and having the knowledge does not help me as far as you are proficient enough to do it. So capable enough to do something and mature enough to do something has a slight difference. Capability just makes you understand that you can do it. But how well can you do it is maturity. And that's what we are looking here at, that the team must be skilled or enhanced in such a way that sometime they can handle the high pressure as well and also the fast-paced environments to implement the activities. This chapter will look forward to how to assess skills of the individual, how to fill in the gaps to create a synergetic team that is internally cohesive and is effective in an organization, and also how to motivate that team and how to communicate effectively. So there are a lot of other things which will be actually adding a lot of value being a test manager for you to be in an organization. So look forward to this chapter to explore more, and we will be coming up next with the next tutorial, that is 7.2. So stay tuned for that. So that's all from this particular tutorial team, a crisp introduction about this chapter, which is again not in the syllabus. You don't have to remember anything from this tutorial. It's just a section where we introduce the chapter to you, but we just don't have it in the syllabus. So that's all from this particular tutorial, team. Should you have anything else, feel free to comment below. I'm always there to address your queries and answer them well. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring, keep understanding the context. Thanks for watching the video, team, and happy learning.